Alright, so on our dashboard, the next thing that I want to do is that I want to be able to filter my data on the basis of time. So I should be able to filter it by year, by quarter, by month, and even by day. So I should be able to look at my sales by country, state, and a city by days, months, years, and quarters. How do we do that? Let's take a look. So first of all, please select any of the charts that is available on this dashboard, and then press the Alt key to get this top panel and press the Analyze. And in this Analyze, you will see this option to insert timeline. Just click on that, and we definitely only have one date in our data, transaction date. So I will have to select that one and click OK. And now that you have this slicer available, you can make it a little bigger in size to make it more meaningful. So I will do it this way, and let me make it a little bit bigger in size here as well. So basically, why I want to make it this big is that I should be able to select a month or even multiple months by using this timeline. So how do we do that? Let me show you. So if you see that you have a small selector here, so if you can simply click on this and drag it down, you can see that any of the months that you want. So for example, if you want to see any of these 4 months, these 4 months, you will select these 4 months here, and then you can see that your charts have been updated. And by the way, only this chart has been updated because other two are not selected. Let me first update the connections for these two as well. So right click on the state slicer here and click on report connections, and quickly let us select all of them and click OK. And now you can see that all of these charts have been updated to represent the sales from these 4 months. So if I just have to take a look at 2019, you can go here and simply select 2019. If you have to select any of the months, you can simply click on that one, and only that month will be selected, and then you can drag multiple months. And if you don't want to see that bigger timeline, you can change this months to quarters and years as well. So if I can just show you the years, only 2 years are appearing here now. So this way you can work on years as well on a small slicer, but I would go back to the months to make it to be able to navigate between months very quickly. So let me select all of them for now, or you can simply click on this cross icon. If I can just show you, I have multiple months quite a few months selected, and I will just click here, and then all of that months are back. So just one more thing that I would like to do before I move forward is that you can see that these charts are getting overlapped by this slicer here. So there are multiple ways to settle that. You can actually make this slicer smaller by just dragging it up like that, or you can bring these charts a little down. So both of these options are available, so I think that is fine for now.